What's going on, my friends? Hopefully, everyone is having a great night. I'm kind of exhausted, but I wanted to punch out this last video because I think it's important for a lot of you entrepreneurs, a lot of you freelancers, you independent contractors, you self employed individuals who are business owners, essentially. Yes, you are a business owner. If you are a freelancer, an independent contractor, you're part of the gig economy. You're basically a business owner, okay? You are a business, essentially, but you're the owner. And so you might be in the process of trying to build up your business credit. And yes, you don't need an actual LLC to build up your business credit. Now, on this channel, we talk a lot about making, managing, and growing your money. And part of that journey, part of that process includes, or it might include, doesn't always, but it might include growing your own business, starting your own business, or as some like to refer to it as, and kind of only limit it to, but starting a side hustle and having a side hustle. Maybe you join the gig economy. You drive for Uber or Lyft. You work for TaskRabbit. You work for Fiverr, Upwork, whoever it is, or maybe you're doing your own thing around the town and city that you live in. Well, in your particular situation, you will basically be, well, you're not always going to be looked at as a business, but you are basically a business. Now, again, you might not have registered and formed yourself as an LLC or an S corp or a partnership, anything like that. But if you are paying taxes, you get a 1099 and all that, the whole shebang. I mean, you're a business basically. So this article shares two different services that you can use to help you with building your business credit faster. First, of course, and this is Nav's website, so they might be a little biased as to why they're suggesting themselves first, but I'm actually going to be making some videos walking through the process of signing up with Nav. I think I actually already did the initial one, but I don't think I posted it yet. Maybe not, but I haven't used either of their paid accounts. So as you can see, it says Nav Trade Line Reporting. Nav now, and I use their free plan, which I'm a fan of that alone. And yeah, but as you can see, it says Nav now offers trade line reporting for two of its paid accounts, Business Boost and Business Loan Builder. Both these plans give you full business credit reports and scores from major commercial credit reporting agencies, Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, plus a new trade line with the major commercial credit bureaus, which can help you build business credit faster and track your progress. So how it works, it says sign up with Nav Business Boost or Business Loan Builder account, or upgrade your free Nav account to one of these plans. Your Nav account payments reported as a new trade line to the major business credit agencies. You'll also get an alert when your Nav trade line appears on your credit reports. Your account will likely report as a business services account or similar category, depending each bureau's policy. So that's pretty cool. I mean, off the rip, off the top, just because you are signing up with them, those payments that you are paying them for those accounts will be reported as a new trade line to the credit bureaus. And as you can see here, it says check out Business Boost. Get your full business credit report and scores, plus Nav reports your account payments to the business bureaus as a trade line. This is the Business Boost plan. And if we look over here at Nav, you can see they have 4 different plans. I currently have a free plan where, we have a brief little summary only of our business credit reports and scores, which reports to Dun & Bradstreet, which is Experian and Equifax. And then you have an Experian summary only of our personal credit reports and scores. You do not have a TransUnion summary, or really a full view of Experian or TransUnion. And then you guys can see a list of some of the other features that are included with the free plan. Not too many compared to their business manager, the business boost, as well as the business loan builder plans. So if you are, again, trying to not only have insight into your plans and other, potential business opportunities that align with your personal credit score, because signing up with a free plan is great. I like the free plan alone, and I can use it. It does give me additional, I already use other apps and whatnot, my other banks, that give me insights like my credit scores and things like that. But this is another place that will kind of give me, my business information as well as my personal information. So if you have any of these paid plans, you can actually get additional features that you can see over here. But furthermore, if we jump up to the business boost plan, which is $40 a month, that actually says new build business credit with trade line reporting. So that's dope. That's a whole new different line right there. But then they also have their business loan builder, which includes their FICO small business scoring service. And that's the SBSS score, the score used to pre-screen SBA loans. And that's, $50 a month. So some of these, you might want to consider potentially getting one of these paid plans for just a few months, just to help with getting the ball rolling, just to get that additional trade line on your credit report, in which, you do it for 6 months, you do it for 3 months, whatever it might be. And as you build up your other trade lines, number of trade lines that you have reporting, then when it's time to apply for those credit cards and whatnot, you get that money. At some point, you might say, I don't need all of these features, and maybe go back down to a business manager plan or a free plan, or maybe you decide to keep the business boost plan and business loan builder plan, whatever plan it is you decide to move forward with, because of these additional features, these additional, that additional insight that, you're able to get, especially like a 1 million identity theft protection. That's huge. Never know, right? So I'm a fan of Nav in general, but I certainly will be checking out one of these other plans in the very near future. So as I mentioned before, if you haven't yet, like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you can follow along when I do create those upcoming videos. The other software, what do they call it? Service, excuse me. The other service that they suggest here on Nav is eCredable Lift Small Business. And it says, you set up an account with eCredable Lift Small Business, which offers a service designed to help business owners build credit using bills they already pay. You can link specific types of bills, see below, to eCredable, which then reports that information to commercial credit reporting agencies. Those accounts, when reported and paid on time, can help build business credit. In addition, eCredable Lift Small Business also reports the monthly fee to several business credit bureaus as a trade line. That is pretty dope. So they say the types of accounts that may be reported include power, water, gas, mobile or landline phone, cable or satellite TV, and internet. And like they said again, the eCredable Lift Small Business also reports the monthly fee that you are paying them as well, to several business credit bureaus as a trade line. So that's another trade line that you'll have reported along with all of these other, pretty much expenses, things that you are already paying for elsewhere. So it says, how long does it take? While some vendors take 30 to 60 days to report new accounts to business credit agencies, the process with eCredable is fast. We usually get the data in a few minutes once the account is linked. And it says we put it in our file and report weekly to the bureaus. So even better, up to 24 months of payment history may be included, which can be a tremendous boost for a business that has established accounts. Let's say you've had a business cell phone account for a couple of years, for example. If you link that account to your eCredable small business account, that past payment history, up to 24 months of the most recent payment activity available from the provider's website, well, that can appear on certain commercial credit reports within a week or less. That is not too bad, my friends. Not too bad. And then it says business credit reports. Check yours for free at Nav. Don't list the names of creditors, and these accounts are no different. Individual accounts will be reported under the category of business services. In other words, the name of the utility provider, cell phone company, etc., will not appear on the report. It will be included in that category. Is it safe? Although the business credit reporting is fairly new for eCredable, the company itself has been around since 2009 as a consumer reporting agency. Its mission has been to help almost 60 million adults who would like to access affordable financial services but are hindered by their lack of positive credit history. As a credit reporting agency, it is required to abide by the Federal Credit Reporting Act and maintain standards to help ensure maximum possible accuracy. In other words, you should feel comfortable working with eCredable. And really quickly, lastly, how much does it cost? The service can be an affordable way to help small business credit. It costs $49.95 to set up an account and then $9.95 a month to maintain it. You can link as many qualifying accounts as you want as long as they fall into the service categories above and offer online access to the account information. For an additional one-time fee of $19.95, eCredable can manually verify business accounts that cannot be linked. Examples are business insurance, legal services, and virtual office fees. Not all business credit bureaus accept manually verified accounts, so check the eCredable website for more details. So, hey, I am a fan of not only this article, which was why I decided to jump into this at the end of the night while I've been doing my own little research and whatnot, but I really think a lot of you guys out there will be able to benefit from not only eCredible's ability to pull in all of these different all these different services that you're already paying for, but then also their fee as a additional new trade line as well. That's not too bad. That will definitely help out a lot when it comes to building your business credit, along with what Nav has going on over here on nav.com. And, I'll have some links down below to both of these providers down below for you guys. But like I said, if you haven't yet liked this video, it does help me with the YouTube algorithm. It shows me you appreciate this video content as well and the time and energy we put into these videos. But also hit that subscribe button, because when I do create some upcoming videos that touch on Nav, either their business boost or the Nav business loan builder, you guys will be notified. Well, only if you hit that notification bell after you subscribe. You will be notified of those videos, and then you can follow along and, make sure you're kind of making the right steps as I make the right steps. And what is it? Squid Games, obviously watching the person go before you can be very, very helpful. So on that note, like I said, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Much appreciation for watching. Feel free to leave any comments down below if you think there might be another good service provider out there who can help with building business credit fast. Leave that down below, because I'll definitely check them out and maybe make a video on that as well. So on that note, I got to keep it moving, but you guys already know. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.